A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit has overturned a lower court's ruling that could have led to contempt charges against officials in the Trump administration. This decision, made on Friday, represents a major victory for the Trump administration as it faces ongoing scrutiny over its immigration policies. The appeals court's ruling was split, with a 2-to-1 majority comprised of judges appointed by Trump, Gregory Katsas and Naomi Rao, while Judge Cornelia Pillard, an appointee from former President Barack Obama, dissented. The case centers around U.S. District Court Judge James Boasberg's earlier ruling that found probable cause for the Trump administration's contempt of court due to its actions during a mass deportation campaign targeting Venezuelan nationals. Judge Boasberg had ordered a pause on deportation flights under the Alien Enemies Act, a law that allows for the swift deportation of foreign nationals, historically only used in wartime. Despite Boasberg's ruling, the Trump administration proceeded with deportation flights, leading Boasberg to conclude that the government showed a willful disregard for his order. In her ruling, Rao argued that the lower court had overstepped its bounds by attempting to control the executive branch's conduct of foreign affairs, an area where judicial power is traditionally limited. Meanwhile, Pillard's dissent highlighted concerns about the erosion of judicial authority in favor of executive power, emphasizing that the U.S. is not currently at war and that the deported individuals had not faced criminal charges. The appeals court's decision comes amid a backdrop of political tensions, with the Trump administration frequently criticizing judicial interventions that it perceives as obstacles to its agenda. The Department of Justice has also filed a formal complaint against Judge Boasberg, accusing him of misconduct for his public comments regarding the administration's approach to the judiciary. This legal battle has raised questions about the balance of power between the judicial and executive branches, particularly in relation to immigration policy and the treatment of non-criminal detainees. The ruling is expected to be appealed, potentially leading to further scrutiny of the administration's deportation practices and the legal frameworks surrounding them. As the situation develops, it remains to be seen how the courts will navigate the complexities of immigration law and executive authority. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.